Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning to one and all, and have a very nice day. Hope everyone is doing well. So far, we have learned about many life processes. We have done nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, coordination, how brain is, coordinating with all the life processes. And even we have learned about reproduction also. When we are learning about all these life processes, how these all life processes helps in the how they are coordinated, how they are working, how they are linked or connected with each other, how they are coordinating. Let us today learn in detail about how coordination occurs in life processes. So each and every life process what we have learned is coordinated and they are initiated by the brain. So brain is the supreme that is coordinating with all the processes. So different processes like digestion you talk, respiration you talk, excretion you talk, circulation you talk, inbuilt in the body at a specific places to carry their specific functions. But to carry their specific functions, coordinated, coordination, I mean, they should be coordinated. So coordination life processes, play a very complex role. They are involved in each and every processes and appreciates the wonderful integration of our life processes. So these organs are integrated, they work in harmony, and one life process is connected with the other, without which the process cannot be carried. So in this chapter, we are going to learn how these life processes are coordinated and how they are helping to keep the body in good condition. One life process depends on the other life process. In this chapter we are going to understand the dependency of digestive system, and to understand right from the food we intake and till the waste material expelled out of our body, how this digestive system is coordinated with the other systems. So let us begin now with this. So when I talk about digestion, the process of digestion begins right from feeling hungry. When you are feeling hungry, suppose you are feeling hungry, what are the things that initiates hunger in your body? Generally, when we talk, it is said that thought of the food, thought of the food. When you are thinking about the food, thought of the food also makes you hungry. And being tired and exhausted, you are completely tired and exhausted. So tired and exhausted also, initiate your hunger. And even the smell of the food, so the smell of the food also initiate hunger, feeling of hungry in our body. Not only that, taste of the food, suppose the food is very tasty, so your appetite increases more and your hunger feeling increases more, so that you consume more food. Need of the food, need of the food is also one of the factor that increases hungry feeling. Jump on it. Suppose you went home and you came to know that some good smelling, sweet smell of mango is coming, and you will ask your mom, Mom, did you get mango today? I can smell it, because you love it. So you get the smell of it. So like that, the hungry feeling is not only the smell of the food, the taste of the food, even the look of the food. Yes, even the look of the food. When you look at the food, if the food is decorated in a very good manner, even the look of the food also increases your hunger, or you feel hungry when all these factors are seen. So taste of the food, need of the food, smell of the food, look of the food, thought of the food. You are thinking about some food. What stimulates this hunger? Do you know what stimulates hunger? Well, major cause for feeling hungry major cause for feeling hungry lies in the physiology of blood circulation. Yeah, your digestion is connected with the blood circulation. When blood is circulating in our body, what happens? When the glucose levels in the body falls down, when the glucose level, what happens? The glucose level in the body, it falls down. So when the glucose level in the body falls down, we feel, what we feel? Hungry. Why? What happens? What happens, mom, when blood glucose level falls in the body? At that time, hunger pangs are generated. Hunger contraction occurs. What we call it as hunger pangs. We call it as hunger pangs. Hunger contractions occurs in the stomach. Who is generating that hunger pangs? Who is generating that hunger contraction in our stomach? How this contraction is created? So glucose is flowing, in the blood. If the glucose level falls down, some hunger contraction occurs in the stomach. How these two are connected? So these two are connected because of the signals sent by the brain. Some signals are sent by the brain. So the brain sends the signal, through the nerve impulses. It reaches your stomach. In the stomach, you have, certain muscles that releases a hormone called as ghrelin. That releases a hormone called as ghrelin. Very, very, very important hormone, ghrelin. Ghrelin is the hormone, yeah, you can see here. Ghrelin is the hormone that is secreted when the brain sends the signal through the nerve impulses on the walls of the stomach. There are some special cells on the walls of the stomach that releases the hormone called as ghrelin. So the moment the ghrelin is released, you feel hungry. You get hunger pangs and you run or rush to your mom or into the kitchen and you want to consume food. You say, give some food to me. I'm feeling very hungry today. And due to that, what happened? It results in the hunger forces and you are forced to consume the food. You are forced to consume the food. And these hunger pangs, very important, these hunger pangs last for 30 to 40 minutes only 30 to 40 minutes or an hour. During that period only you are supposed to consume your food. Suppose you are not consuming food at that time due to some reason. Okay, now there, after 30 to 45 minutes, if you are not consuming the food, one more hormone is released called as leptin. Very important. One more hormone is released called as leptin. What is the work of this leptin? What leptin is doing? Leptin will suppress. What the leptin is doing? It will suppress the hunger pangs. It will suppress the hunger pangs. You will not feel hunger and you don't consume the food.